Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to our morning live trading session. So, on this session, we're going to be analyzing the market together and looking for entry opportunities. Okay. I hope everyone had a good night rest. So, let's see what we can make from the market this morning. All right. Okay. So let's look. Let's look for entries. Okay, let's go back up. Okay, as usual, let's start from the beginning. Let's start from the beginning. Okay. All right. So let's go to lower time frame. Say let's go to lower time frame. All right. Uh, just a quick look out here. So what is the 5 minute time frame saying about this? Wow. Okay, guys, let's wait for the end of this current candle. So once this candle closes and closes above this trend line, then we take our entry, our buy entry. All right. So guys, go to GBP JPY now. Go to GBP JPY. Go to GBP JPY now. Okay, so just few more minutes to the end of this current candle. So once the candle closes and closes above this way, then we take our buy entry. Okay. So let's say we have our first TP here. Guys, just few seconds to the end of this candle. So once the candle closes, we take our entry immediately. Okay, guys, let's buy now. Okay, just bought from here. GBP JPY, buy now. Okay, so we are buying. So we are in this market and we are buying. Okay. I've had my eyes on GBP JPY even before our session. Before we started the session, I've had my eyes on it. Okay. I was just looking for the perfect entry. And hopefully, this is the perfect entry I've been waiting for. Okay. So let's wait and see how this plays out. So hopefully it goes our way and give us the profit we deserve. And if it comes to this area and closes below it, then we go out of the market. Mm. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so my network went out a bit there. Okay, so now we are in profit. We are making at least little profit. Let's hold this. Let's hold this for a while. Okay. Yes, we are in good profit, guys. Sorry. Okay. So the market is moving our way and we are in profit already, guys. So let's leave that for a bit. Wow, that's a good move. Okay, guys, if you have multiple positions open, please close some positions. All right. Close some positions because right now the market is approaching a zone where there's going to be a little pullback. Okay, there's going to be a little pullback from here. So let's close. Okay. All right. So I just closed 3 positions out of my 5 position. I'm leaving just 2. Okay. So I'm leaving 2. No, let me leave 1. Okay. So I'm closing. I just closed 4 positions and I'm leaving just 1 more position. So I'm risking the 1 to see if it's going to get to my TP. Okay. Because I know the market would make a move from here. Maybe come back to retest before going back up. But I know for a fact that the market is going to come at least to this point, this area. Okay. But let's just protect our capital. Okay. No need to be greedy. We are scalping and other opportunities will still provide itself. So no need to be greedy, guys. You see? You see, I told you the market is going to reverse. Okay. Yeah. It can break it, but it's sure going to make a move from here. So I don't want to be part of that move. And that is why I have secured my profit. Okay. So let's just wait a bit, see if our remaining position is going to get there. If it doesn't, I'll close and then continue to look for more entry opportunities. Wow. So I still have 1 more position. If you are still holding position with me, let's just wait and see if this is coming to the area where we've specified. Okay, but I'm sure everyone has taken profit. Okay, so please close positions. If you have 2 positions, you can just leave 1. Okay, close 1 and leave 1. At least you made profit from here to here. You've made profit enough. So let's see if our remaining position will get to at least this area, then we close. So right now I'm still making money. That's a good move. Guys, this is the 3 minutes time frame. Let's go to the 5 minutes. All right. Okay, so we also have this rejection here. All right. So I'm going to be closing my second position now, guys. I don't want to risk too much. Okay, I don't want to risk too much. So I believe I've made enough. So we've made like 20 pips. All right. We've made like 20 pips. Right. So I just closed my remaining position. So guys, please close the remaining positions you had to. Okay. So let's close that. Let's close that. But I'm still going to hold to see if the market is going to reverse anytime soon or not. So I'm still going to be here. We'll still be looking at the chart together, but we've secured our profit. That is the most important thing. Okay. With position and then the market reverse on us. Yeah. All right. So you see, the market just reverse. Okay, yeah, I don't know for sure if it's going to reverse, but I told you, areas where the market would reverse from, they are always very predictable. Okay, you can easily predict the market is going to reverse from here. So that is why I don't want to risk it until the market reverses on me, and then I start shouting, I could have gotten out of the market. So our first position we close around here. Our second position we close around here. Okay, guys. So we had a good profit. We had good profit. So let's continue. Let's continue. Let's look for another one. Let's go back to the top. All right. So our first trade this morning was a win. We got our first winning. All right. 15 minutes, 30 minutes. All right. Nope. That wasn't the one. Okay. So the market reversed from here, right? The market came down. Market reversed from here also. Okay, market went down. Right. Let's use the main point it reversed from. And now market is reversing from here. So you see, it aligns well with, the 15 minutes time frame. So this is beautiful. So now let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go to 5 minutes. Let's see if we can get an opportunity from this move. As you can see, the market moved from this area. So right now, let's see if the market, okay. So obviously we can't take this entry now. And the reason is because the market has moved past, okay, has moved past the our entry area. This could have been our entry, but the market has moved past it. So, but what we can do now is wait for the market to make a retracement to this area. Then we can have our stop loss here and our take profit here. Okay. So, all right. So the market is currently making a move. Let's see. Let's wait for this current candle. So let's wait for that candle there. All right. So let's just wait for the, okay, the candle is about to close, right? So the candle closed and the market failed to go up, okay? But I know for a fact that the market is going to come here. Okay, I want it to come to at least this area. Then we can start to look for, our entry. I won't check the news this morning. Let me quickly look at the news. Yeah. Okay. So there's no major news. Okay, we already have major news on USD around 230. Okay. NGBP around 4. So euro all day. Okay. I just want to make sure that we don't have to be scared of the market. And so let's continue with our analysis. This hasn't started playing out yet. We still need for the market, still need to wait for the market to come here to trigger our entry and then give us our profit. So let's look for another one. Okay. So this came to profit before the market broke out. Okay. So this market broke out here. Beautiful move. All right. So there isn't much opportunity here. Oh wow. The trade I gave to you guys yesterday on our afternoon session, the trade I said was going to go down. And guys, remember I gave this trade yesterday. So I gave you guys the TP and the stop loss. Yeah, I guess it was yesterday. So the market hit TP, and anybody that took this trade made good profit. So if you were lucky enough to be on my afternoon session and you took this trade, the trade hit TP and we made good profit. So congratulations, guys. We made profit. Yesterday, I wanted us to, have like a long trade to make up for the, losses we encountered. That was why I dropped this trade and I say it was a premium signal. Okay, I wanted to actually give it to my premium members, but I decided, I should just give it out to everybody to enjoy, due to the little losses that we've encountered, and we can use it to make up for all the losses. Okay, so this is about how many pips? Okay, only this trade alone will cover. Let me look at the pips first before I say further. Yeah, this is about 46 pips. Okay, so 40 pips, 46 pips, and all our TP. I don't think all our TP is up to 20 pips yesterday. So 46 pips would cover, you know, more than enough. Okay, I think we only had a win, if I'm right. Yesterday we had 2 losses. We had a win, and then this was our fourth trade. Yes, so this covered a lot of losses we've encountered previously. Okay, so let's continue. Let's go to USD, AUD USD, right? AUD USD, lower time frame. Okay, and this is currently approaching this area. So let's see what happens when it does. Right, but we're not going to wait on this. Let's continue with our analysis. Then once we get, that perfect entry, then we go back and look for, another entry. So let's continue. Let's continue. All right. So let's go to the lower time frame. I'm currently getting, an opportunity for us here. Okay. So we didn't catch this move earlier. We didn't catch the move earlier. Let's go to lower, higher time frame. Let's even go check out XAUUSD. Okay. Haven't traded that for some times now. XAUUSD is very scary. Okay. It's very scary. That is why, people tend to stay away from it because it takes a lot from, traders. Right. So the market has been bullish for a few days now. And the market has been going up. Right, has been going up. So it's been very hard to scalp it to the downside. So if you are a lover of gold, please be very careful. The market is bullish. Okay, it's bullish. You don't want to trade otherwise. Okay. Uh, okay. Let's continue. Let's look for another one. Okay. Uh, okay. So we have these zones. Okay, guys. Please, you have to excuse me for a bit. Be right back. So let's just wait for the market to get to that zone. Once we get a rejection, we are placing our trade. All right. Okay. So this is the 15 minutes time frame, and the market is currently approaching that zone now. It's approaching the zone. So once we get the rejection there, we are going to, you know, start. We are going to start selling immediately. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. So these are already running trades. Um, okay. This is the 1 hour time frame. So opportunities kind of hard on the 1 hour. All right. Okay. GBP JPY. I think oh wow, beautiful. So the market leader went, in fact, went above our take profit level. Okay. So this is beautiful. That was a great win, guys. That was a great win. So okay, I think we are gonna have a movement from here. So this market TP'd and then continued its movement to the upside. Let's close this. Right. Okay, so this market is gonna come down to this level before it continues its movement to the upside. Okay. All right, let's go to the lower time frame. Let's see if we can get an opportunity from here. So we had this move. Okay, so right now there's no short entry for what we are getting here. So the only time we can take a sell entry is when this closes below this area. Okay, that is the only time we can start looking for sell entries. Okay, so let's continue. Oh wow, I think this market is gonna move. I think it's gonna move to the downside because of what had happened here previously. Okay, so let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. Let's see if we can scalp this. All right, so now I want this to close below. I want it to close below this moving average on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so let's wait for a candle close below the moving average. Once we get that, we open a sell trade. Okay, okay. So we need it to close below below this before we can take our sell entry. So let's wait till the end of this current candle. All right. Once the candle closes and closes below, then we take our sell entry immediately. Okay. So that's a nice move. Let's just hope it holds. Okay. So once that goes down and holds below, then we take our sell entry. All right. I think about 2 minutes. Okay, to the end of that current candle. Okay. So a minute and few seconds more to the end of that candle. As I've said, once it closes, we are taking our entry. All right. Okay, guys, sell now. GBP sell now. So we are selling. Okay. So we are still holding this, guys. So let's hold it to the end of the current candle. Check. Okay, so on the 15 minutes time frame, on the 2 hour time frame, this looks like a rejection. Let me go to the 1 hour. Okay, I just want to be sure that we can hold this trade. So if we can hold, we close and look for another one. All right. Let's just wait for the end of this candle. If it doesn't close in our favor, then we close the trade and break even. Okay. And wait for another entry setup for later. Okay. So we are still holding it. We are still holding. We might have to close this trade once it comes back into our zone. Okay. Because the time is already against us, and I don't think we can, you know, be here to hold this trade. Remember, we still have our Telegram live coming up by 11:30. Okay, that is less than 30 minutes from now. So we have to prepare for that also. Uh, so let's just wait for the market to come back into our entry zone. Then we close the trade. All right. Okay. All right, guys. So the market has come back. So please let's close. All right. Let's close. All right. All right, guys. So please close. So if you close right now, you're not going to lose anything. All right. But I'm pretty sure this market would come to our take profit. But we had to close because the time is already against us, and we have other things to do. Okay. And this is why I said, come and join my premium group. Okay. So if you're on the premium group, you don't have to close, you don't have to do any of this because the time is not limited there. We are closing this because we don't have the time to continue watching this. All right, we don't have the time to continue watching this. If we want to stay here, this market can take up to 20 minutes. Yeah, so that is why we are closing. All right, I'm so sorry about that, guys. All right, so guys, let's go prepare for our Telegram question session, question and answer session. All right, so join me on the Telegram by 11:30. Let's put this together. All right, guys. So I'll see you all on the Telegram.